As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Weber Grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit S-315. What's the deal?
All right, let's break it down. The Q1000 is like the super portable little brother. It's got a single burner pushing out 8,500 BTUs, heating up 189 square inches. Think tailgating, camping, quick burgers.
Okay, compact. And the Spirit S-315?
The Spirit is a whole different beast. It's got 3 burners cranking out a total of 32,000 BTUs and a much larger 529 square inches of cooking space. Definitely more for backyard barbecues.
Wow, big difference in size. What about the grates?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and easy cleanup. But the Spirit has flavorizer bars too, which are designed to catch drippings and give your food that smoky flavor. The Q1000 doesn't have that.
Flavorizer bars sound nice. Is there a big difference in materials?
Both are Weber, so the build quality is solid. The Q1000 is cast aluminum, making it lightweight for portability. The Spirit S-315 is stainless steel, so it's heavier and probably more durable long-term against the elements.
Makes sense. What about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, so starting them up is easy peasy. The Spirit also has a fuel gauge, which is handy so you don't run out of propane mid-cook.
Good point. So the Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, right?
Yep, the Q1000 uses those little green tanks. You can get an adapter for a larger tank, but it's an extra purchase. The Spirit uses a standard 20 pounds propane tank, which is more economical in the long run if you grill a lot.
What about price? I saw the Q1000 is around $229, but the Spirit S-315 is like $849.
You got it. The Q1000 is much cheaper, reflecting its smaller size and simpler features. The Spirit S-315 is a significant investment, but you're getting a bigger, more powerful, and feature-rich grill.
So it really comes down to size and how often I plan to grill.
Exactly. If you need something portable for occasional use, the Q1000 is a great choice. If you're a serious griller who wants to cook for a crowd, the Spirit S-315 is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.